have we got an exciting series of videos coming up. Myers Hydro has asked us to do a demonstration on their series of LED light bulbs. The exciting thing is that many of you know we're going to be putting a grow room here in the house. In the garage area is 800 square feet, and we're going to grow plants in here 365 days a year. So this fits right in for us, an LED light bulb using a fraction of the energy that some of the high pressure sodium will also put out an equivalent amount of light on a full spectrum, synthesizing daylight itself. So we're going to take a look at this and talk about it coming up next. So let's take a look at this light. Let's talk about it for a moment. For those that are very technical, please refer to their website, to the light information, and review it for yourself. I'm not here to give all the technical specifications of the light. We just want to give you an idea of how the light works and how the light's going to benefit us in growing our plants. We'll be able to take plants from seedling all the way to the point that we're ready to plant them out, or even if you wanted to grow the plants inside, some of the higher value crop growers of the green plants that we all know that is becoming more and more legal. They grow under lights indoors. This light here is going to be the equivalent of a 1,000-watt light, but will only use about 150 watts of energy. So that in itself is really a big plus. If you can get that kind of light out of a reduced amount of energy, it's definitely always a plus. And look at how compact this light is. Very light. As you see, I'm holding it by the ballast. Let's get it turned around here for you and get it unpacked. It's not very large at all. Very, very lightweight, and it appears to be very easy to assemble. Excellent. We've got a power cord. We've got power from the ballast to the light unit itself. Goes ahead and plug that in right here. Okay. It comes with an instruction booklet. It only came with some hands that can hold it. So in this instruction booklet, it shows you how to put it together, shows the technical specifications. It even gives you a little bit of an idea how you might use it to start your seedlings, the distance away from your plants, etc., etc. On the top of the light itself, there's a small plug here. And if you pop this plug out and insert a screwdriver, it's actually a dimmer switch. And you can go ahead and there's a few different settings from 25% to 100% of the light output. Additionally, in the package comes a set of hangers. And if we unpack these hangers here, and there's a couple of notches right in the frame of the light here. You can go ahead and clip that in there. And clip this one in this side. Clip that in this side. And that one there. And go ahead and attach these to whatever route that you're going to go ahead and hang it from. And then you've got adjustments in here that'll allow you to raise and lower the light as needed. And adjust it. So that'll hang right over your seedling tray or your seeds or what have you. Let's go ahead. Oh, we can leave that on for the moment. And then we've got an additional power cord that goes ahead and plugs into this ballast extension. So you can see setup is extremely easy. They've really made it for any guy like me to go ahead and get this set up. And there we go. And you can see that it is a good amount of light. It's a little bit different than those old Blurple style, and this is a white light. Once again, creating a full spectrum of light for your plants to give you the functionality and usability without having to really change anything to carry it through seedling to veg and flower and so forth. So that's really handy to be able to use it that way. So, with that being said, we've got some even more exciting news. There's no heat at all. I could feel, it hasn't been on very long, but no heat whatsoever coming out of that. And it's got this nice lightweight hood with Mars Hydro's name right on it. And here we take a look with the lights off. There's nothing really protruding lower than the panel itself. So there is protection for to be able to set it down like this. And once again, you can raise and lower it right above your seedlings. So what Mars Hydro has done for us is they've said, hey, we want to treat your viewers to a light for themselves. Isn't that awesome? I can't believe they're doing that for us. So we're going to run this contest like we've always run our other contests. And the way to make an entry, we're going to do a series of videos as we progress some plants from the seedling stage and grow them out a little bit and show you how the light works and the benefits of it. And we'll probably maybe do 2 or 3 videos. The way to enter this contest now, the light that Mars Hydro is going to provide for our viewers will be a TS-1000, which is 1 step lower than this light from a light output, but it's going to be plenty of light for you to go ahead and get some seedlings started. And one great way, even though it's very late in the season, to be starting seedlings for your first crop, those that rotate and that put in additional crops. Maybe you might run a second tomato crop and plant that out in June to take advantage of the fall, or maybe you'll be putting some seedlings together for the fall cool weather crops. So there's plenty of time of year to be able to use it still and then use it throughout the winter as we intend to do inside of our grow room. So they'll be providing a TS-600 grow light. And the way we're going to run this contest is in each of those videos, as you follow along, I want you to put a comment down in the bottom and say, I want a Mars Hydro light too. And then at the end of our series, we're going to go ahead and we're going to count everybody's entries into each of the videos. And the person that has the most consistent entries and the highest number of entries is going to win that light. And if we've got multiple viewers putting an equivalent amount of entries in, we're going to take all of those names up. We're going to put those in a hat, and then we're going to pick out one lucky winner. And then we're going to give that to Mars Hydro, and you'll give your information, and Mars Hydro will ship that light to you directly. They've gone ahead and decided that's going to be the best way to do it rather than ship us a light. So the contest is really being held by Mars Hydro via us. So let's give it a thumbs up, and we're going to get this rocking. We're going to set this up. If you haven't subscribed and gave us a thumbs up, let's go ahead and do so. We're going to put the links in the bottom of the description to the items on Amazon for Mars Hydro, so you can go ahead and review their technical specifications and so forth. We'll also go ahead and put any pertinent information you might need there. And remember, most of all, come grow with us!